I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by prepping materials and making precise cuts so the structure is stable. Lay two 11x17 rectangles on the mat and mark the center and outer margins. This establishes the viewing frame and support flaps. Once done, score a 1/4-inch fold line along each edge to allow crisp bends and prevent fiber tearing. Use double-sided tape for fast assembly where glue would warp paper. You'll understand why rigidity matters. It keeps the screen plane flat and reduces light distortion during later steps. You now build the display frame that holds the diffusion layer and projector or smartphone. Fold the scored edges up to form a 1-inch deep tray and glue the flaps so the frame is square. Alignment here controls image focus and keystone. Next, stretch tracing paper or vellum tightly across the front opening and secure with tape. This creates the viewing surface that turns light into visible image. Finally, reinforce corners with gussets so the frame resists twisting. If the diffusion sits loose, the image will ripple and blur. You finish by mounting your device and calibrating the image. Place the projector or smartphone centered behind the frame at roughly 1 to 2 times the frame depth. This distance balances focus and coverage. Once done, power the image and slowly slide the device forward or back until the picture sharpens, and correct keystone by tilting or shifting laterally. Make sure to dim ambient light for contrast. If the image stays soft, tighten the diffusion sheet. Add a thin cardboard stiffener or reduce stray reflections. This tip fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.